Hi, everybody. This is Karen Peterson, looking forward to Methods of Social Work Research. Um, my experience in learning research goes back to my undergraduate studies as a education major from Westchester. We did, I'm sure, some research around statistics, but that was a long time ago. Currently, I am a owner and operator of a doula business, and so a lot of the work that we currently do is in evidence-based practices around birth and birth outcomes. We want to make sure that we give people the best information for the choices that they intend to make around their births and birth experiences. So, evidence-based support is something that I use every day in my work. And what would make learning research fun for me? I don't know that fun is a good word, but interesting. What would make it interesting is if I could see clearly how to apply it to my everyday practices and to the lives of the people that I intend to support, as well as how I can relate it to my personal life. Where do I see research? Where does it show up? How can I tell? After viewing the syllabus, what excites me about the course is just really learning more about this topic and learning other ways to process studies and research, and what are the best practices for that, and how does research change. So I'm excited about the course. I'm excited to learn from my peers and my instructor. Looking forward to just being prepared to be a better licensed clinical social worker. So I will see you all in class.